Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be doing the unboxing.
One week later.
Guys, I have been using this helmet for a week, and before reviewing this helmet, so the previous helmet which I was using was the Steelbird SBA2, so which was a pretty good helmet, but unfortunately I lost it a month ago. So when the Steelbird has mailed me about this product, I have found some videos stating that this helmet is not worth buying and it's completely waste of money and it's unprotective and all. So guys, before you degrade any product, you need to use it and you must know everything about it. So being an Steelbird helmet user, I know what the quality of the Steelbird is. So guys, first, this is one of the compact helmet which has been European certified, and it is also ISI certified. So let me show you the compactness of this helmet by comparing it with my another helmet. So guys, this is the new helmet, that is a SMK Twister helmet which I have got. So just compare the size of these two helmets. So this is very compact and it's also meet the European standards, and it is also ISI certified.
Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer.
So guys, now let's talk about the main feature of this helmet. So the first feature is the longest visor, which runs down till chin, and this longest visor provides you the greater field of view, which is very useful in city traffic riding. So this comes with the tinted visor pre-installed, which is for day use, and they also give this clear visor which is for the night use, so you can change it whenever you want. And the other feature of this helmet is the ventilation system. So you can see it runs all over the top of the helmet. So this offers a lot of comfortness for the rider. So by providing this ventilation system, so the Steelbird have ensured the maximum airflow into the helmet, so you don't sweat inside the helmet. And the interior of this helmet, I'll show you. So the interior of this helmet is also good, and it's removable, and it also can be replaced if it's damaged. And these are the main two features of this helmet. So now let's talk about the price range of this helmet. So its price ranges between 2500 to 3500 something, and you can buy this helmet from the Steelbird official website. So I will provide the link in the description box below, so you can check it out. And there are various colors available in this helmet. So it comes with the single color, and it also comes with the unique graphics. So it looks pretty awesome.
We're so ashamed to be alive. Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take.
So guys, according to me, this helmet is a perfect replacement for the half face or the open face helmet, and it suits for the scooters use, and it looks pretty awesome on it. And I think it doesn't suit for the highway cruising, but it perfectly fits for the pillion rider. And guys, its unique design is absolutely a head turner on the road, and it moreover looks like a superhero mask due to its compactness and its longest visor. Guys, guys, if you have any questions about this helmet, do comment down below, and thanks for watching this video, and give this video a like and share it with your friends. And if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and as always, be smart, be safe, ride hard, and always wear a helmet while riding. Bye bye.